All right, we can see right now that it's turning color. And once you see that little brownish color, you can add the rest of the ingredients. Hey, my future saints, I'm Ellie, and welcome back to One World Saints, where we're gonna learn about the saints while discovering their flavors. We're gonna be doing an Italian dish today called Carbonara. We're gonna use extra virgin olive oil, but you can use any type of oil is acceptable as well. We're gonna be using bacon. I have cubed bacon, but you can do bigger sizes depending on your choice of how much bacon you wish to add as well. We're gonna use garlic, finely chopped. More or less is up to your choice. This is 4 cloves right here. We have pasta water. It's gonna be a half cup of pasta water. We're gonna use eggs, 2 eggs beaten. And we need Parmesan cheese. This one is grated, but if you have powdered Parmesan, that's up to your choice as well. And to finish the garnish, that would be parsley. You can use any other green leaf you wish, or if you wish no garnish, that's okay as well. Okay, we're gonna be adding the ingredients. There's the oil to it. And we're gonna cook that with the bacon. Make sure you turn on your stove. And you're gonna be doing that one, mix it around until it's crispy, the bacon itself. But meanwhile, we're waiting for that. We're gonna be speaking about Padre Pio. So Padre Pio was born on May 25th, 1887, in a very small town in Italy. So Saint Padre Pio is very devoted to the faith. Since a very young age, he was an altar server, age of 5, which, I mean, that's crazy to think. We don't really see that many altar servers as it is right now. So since the age of 5, he was an altar server, and as young age of 15, he decided to join the friars. I mean, how many 15-year-olds we know nowadays that want to continue a path of God? We know many 15-year-olds who want to know nothing about God, but yet Saint Padre Pio was at such a young age, and I think that's such a great role model that we should look upon. So him growing up, got really close to God, and decided to follow Christ. All right, we can see right now that it's turning color, and once you see that little brownish color, you can add the rest of the ingredients. So we're gonna be adding the garlic. The garlic, you're gonna be sauteing it until it is a little tender. Once you see it's turning a little bit of color and it's a little smushy, then you can turn off the flame on it. So yeah, Saint Padre Pio, from a young age, he was following the path of God and continuing to grow in his faith. He is the patron saint of civil defense volunteers as well as adolescents, since he himself was since adolescence he was following Christ. Something that is very famous about Saint Padre Pio is that he had stigmata, and what that means is that he got the wounds that Jesus had himself. So it was both on his hands and his legs. For a certain part, when he first started to get them, they started to disappear, but then he got it once again, and that stayed permanently on him. And that's just crazy to even think of that he himself had the actual wounds that Jesus did. We're seeing that it has changing the colors and everything's cooking well. So you're going to lower the volume on the stove. And meanwhile, you should have been doing the pasta so that it can cook together. And what you're going to do is that you're going to mix it all together now. As we say, the bacon is pretty much cooked by now. So once you have everything mixed, you combine your what you had on the side with the garlic and the bacon, your pasta that you should have done on the side. And you have to wait till your pasta is hot. You can't serve with cold pasta because you have to incorporate the Parmesan cheese and the egg so that it can cook within the pasta itself. So this is your final product right here. You're ready to plate it, garnish it, and serve it to your loving people that you have around you. So let's keep in mind to always try to be like Padre Pio. He was a very dedicated person at such a young age. He was in his faith. That should inspire us, me as a young person I am, to continue in the path of God. It is a path that will help us one step closer to be saints. So thank you guys all, and that is our dish for today.